So today we're going to go through how to install and set up your RoofBunk Roamer side awning. So the first stage is to cut the tape to the same size as the fitting rails. Peel off the tape on one side and stick it to the fitting rail. Then apply lots of pressure to the tape by pushing it with your thumb to make sure it sticks on tighter. So next, apply alcohol rub to where you'll be sticking the awning rail on the shell. Peel the tape off and stick it down while applying lots of pressure by pushing it against the shell. This again ensures it sticks better. Leave it for 12 to 24 hours as this will give the tape time to strengthen the bond. So now for how to set it up. So first, slide the material in the awning rail while the shell is down to make it easier for yourself. Insert the awning rail stoppers at the ends to stop the material from moving. Put the back poles and guy ropes on the back loops. You can leave these guy ropes on the poles too when packing it away, as this should make it faster to set up next time. So next, open the roamer up and adjust the back poles to the height you want. We recommend to adjust the top section last, so you can reach it when setting it up and putting it away. So next, you put the front poles and guy ropes on the front loops. Again, you can leave these guy ropes on the poles when packing it away to make it faster to set up next time. So adjust the poles to the height you want and put them in the pole spike stands if you want more stability. You'll need to take the black caps off the pole spike stands first though, if you want to do this. Finally, just peg down all the guy ropes after adjusting them to the right length if you want even more stability. To pack it away, just do the same except reversed. Then you can choose to either put everything in the roamer or leave it all in the bag in your vehicle. So there it is, all installed and set up for you. Any questions you may have, just shoot them away and we'll be happy to help. Happy roof bunking!